Ay, magalaw. Ito na yung paakyat na Renatos Private Resort. Gulo yung video. Ito na yung paliko guys ng Renatos Place, yung private resort. Ayan na, ito na yun. Ayan oh. Pero sa taas to banda, may pababa pa yan. Nandun yung mga swimming pool, ganun. Ito yung pinaka-entrance nila, mga design. Venice. Ay, ang ganda. Charis! Ito na yung swimming pool nila. Ang view pag nasa taas ka. Pero ito yung sa baba na to. Ayan, sa mga bale, dalawang swimming pool. Isang pambata, isang parang semi-lap pool. Hindi naman, hindi naman siguro siya lap pool. Basta malaki siya, yung pool na pang-adult. Ito yung pang-batang pool, tapos kitchen yung nando sa unahan nun. Ito naman yung video okay area.
We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I give good night. Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. Gotta do this thing. We got what we want, we're missing. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I give good night. Still the one I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I give good night. I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, baby.
Ayun, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo guys, yung pinaka-resort mismo. Malinis siya, maaliwalas, fresh yung hangin. Ganun, maganda siya at saka tahimik. Bagay sa private pool nga, para kayo lang, tapos hindi masyadong toxic. Pati yung pool, malinis yung tubig, hindi siya sobrang daming chlorine. May jacuzzi pang libre 1 hour.
Wow.
Ayan, masarap mag-swimming. Tapos nung nag-swimming kami dito, mainit yung tubig kaya hindi naman sobrang init yung parang hot spring. Basta sakto lang, hindi rin siya malamig. Napakasarap mag-swimming. Ayan oh. Sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kami dito guys. Tapos ang lapit pa ng uuwian. Hindi ganyan pumunta ka ng Laguna, ang layo-layo pa ng traffic. Ganun.